What's up, beauty crew, and welcome back to SheDoesBeauty. In today's video, we're going to be doing some earthy Virgo nails. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this is the second episode of our horoscope series. So I am just taking that cover peach and I am just going to ombre that out and use it as a transition color. And next I am taking a light brown and I'm going to ombre that into that cover peach. Y'all, I don't think I know any Virgos, by the way, because I'm trying to think and I might, but I really can't recall off the top of my head. So let me know down below what you think the true characteristics of a Virgo are, because when I'm Googling, it just says that they're very chill, they want everyone to be happy. So I don't know, is that true? But yeah, let me know what the Virgo in your life is like, because I know sometimes we all love to say our astrology signs are super on point, but you and I kind of both know that it might just be a little bit of self-manifestation half the time, but that's okay. It's not harmful to believe in cool things, right? But back to the nails really quickly. I took first of all and added that glitter to the tip and ombre that back in, and then I am just taking that cover peach and just gonna go over that all together. And then I'm going to take the Virgo nail decal and add that on there. And if you want to grab these decals for yourself, you can head over to my Etsy shop under SheDoesBeauty, and I have I think 2 in stock left. So if you want them, make sure you go and grab them. I will be doing a restock, but it's going to be a total restock. So it'll be in a minute basically. So grab them while you can, and that way you don't get left out. Just kidding. No, but grab them if you want them because they've been going really quickly, these ones. And y'all know I love my gold flakes, so I added just a couple, and then I'm going to encapsulate the entire nail, and then we will file shape buff. And now we add our top coat. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what the Virgos in your life are like. I really want to know. Until next time, and we're going to be in Libra season. Hey! I'm a Libra, by the way. But woo woo! Love you, beauty crew. See you in the next one. Bye!